Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats on a string.
Saya Aci
dan saya Dildil
akan memandu acara pada hari
untuk lomba makeup sesumbar dengan tema makeup bold wedding adat Manda.
Tepuk tangan buat Rumah Kreasi Majene.
Semoga di momen ini semakin banyak terbuka peluang-peluang besar untuk kita semua.
Everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats in a string. You don't understand the pain of blame. You don't ever wanna give me money. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
Kami berempat sangat berat ya untuk menentukan siapa yang terbaik, ya, karena semua yang sudah ada di sini semua memiliki skill dan kemampuan yang sangat luar biasa.
Unik, kerapian, teknik flatnya agar ukiran tidak mudah lepas, dan kerapian. Makasih.
I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Alhamdulillah, terima kasih buat Rumah Kreasi yang telah mengacarakan acara yang sekeren ini dan tidak menyangka sekali bisa dapat juara 1. Betul-betul pesertanya hari ini luar biasa, skill makeup semuanya keren-keren semua, Masya Allah. Sukses buat kalian semua. Dadah.
Terima kasih yang semua berpartisipasi dalam acara kami Rumah Kreasi Majene. Mohon maaf atas segala kekurangan. Ini bukan semata-mata kompetisi menang dan kalah. Ini adalah pengalaman dan sukses untuk kita semua.